was at school eating lunch. Her food was yummy, but after it went into her tummy, that's a crazy contraption. Sharp pains erupted in her stomach.
Can you show me where your tummy's sore?
There.
Pains are in the region of the gall bladder, an organ near the stomach. She was sent for blood tests, which came back clear, and now she's back for a scan.
And if you come and lie down on the bed.
Enter Dr. Nik Braves. He's in charge of the next stage of our investigation, the ultrasound.
Hi Claudia, how are you doing? Great, we're going to do a scan of your tummy. So this is just a special little camera, and all we do is rest it on your skin, and we can see inside you.
An ultrasound scans the body using sound waves and their echoes.
Echo.
This kit helps doctors find their way around our bodies in a similar way that sonar helps submarines find their way underwater. So, let's see if it can solve our mystery.
Mystery. Take a big breath in and out.
Hello, what have we got here?
That's what you had for breakfast going around.
Yeah. What do you reckon? Scrambled eggs?
Cornflakes, I'd say.
You wouldn't recognise it now, though, if you saw it.
Anyway, that's not quite the clue we were looking for. Let's keep searching.
So this is the bit you're really interested in, isn't it?
Here we are. That black sausage shape is our main suspect.
Yeah, there's a lovely view of the gallbladder there. Can you see it's nice and black?
Yeah.
And if she's got gallstones, they're normally very easy to see, a big bright white line with a shadow behind them.
The gallbladder is looking healthy, which is great news.
And your liver looks okay.
And the other organs are looking good too.
So we didn't find any cause for your tummy pain, okay? And definitely no gallstones.
So after a thorough investigation, the gallbladder has been cleared of all charges, leaving only one suspect.
So I think it is all just a viral infection of the glands that you get up in your neck. You're getting in your tummy as well, and that's what's causing the pain. So it should settle down by itself.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
A virus it is. Mystery solved.
Yeah, happy and know what it is. I'm happy we